Welcome to my home park, Busch Gardens Williamsburg, Virginia. I'm Jamie Battle, known as Pip-Up James or the Penguin. And we're about to ride the Loch Ness monster. The legend lives on. The ride was recently renovated over the past few months. We replaced track by Premier Rides. And we're going up the lift right now. When the ride opened in 1978, this was the tallest ride in the world. Now it's been overtaken over the past few decades, like rides like Griffin, Alpengeist, Pantheon, Apollo's Chariot at the other side of the park. The ride, of course, was manufactured by Aerodynamics, and parts of the track, as I said earlier, were made by Premier. Premier has built Tempesto, the Skyrocket 2. And by the way, this is the first ride of the day for us. And I'm happy to be a part of it. Now it's time for that drop. I can see the whole park from here. Here we go, y'all. Now to go under the park's main feature, the ride's main feature, the loops. Interlocking, still the only one in the world. The ride feels so good right now. We're about to go into the pit. They changed so much. We're about to find out what we're gonna have. Oh my. Where are you, Lochness? Where are you? There she was, right there. Here we go, about to go to the second loop of the interlocking loops. Like I said, it's the only one in the world. Woo! Wow. And that, my friends, is the legendary Loch Ness monster. Follow us on Mail and Coastal Network or our YouTube channel, Pip-Up James. Have a wonderful day. You're welcome.